You shall take 10 to 15 seconds to read the question completely. If you need more time, pause the video and read it further. A physiologist in the last century demonstrated that puppies will die if kept awake for more than 5 days. As you read the sentence, you can easily find there are two clues that indicate that this sentence is in past tense. First clue, demonstrated, it has to be in past tense. To ascertain that this is in past tense, we can be very sure, yes, this sentence is in past tense. The word will must be wrong. Therefore, the error lies in segment B. For this question, the answer is option B. Kingsley is one of the sincere students in our college. I like to provide you the second simplest clue. Whenever you have sentence one of the, its corresponding noun, students, always keep it in your mind. Whenever you have one of the in any sentence, plural noun. Here, the error lies in C segment. It is not one of the sincere student. It is one of the sincere students. He would not have done the job if he would not have heard the news. You try to recall what you have learned on conditional clauses. That is, whenever you have the word if in sentences, usually the word if will take 3 tenses. Say for example, if it rains, simple present tense. If I were a bird, simple past tense. Or if you had invited me, past perfect tense. Whichever way, simplest clue is the word would never occur after if. It's more than enough for you to identify the answer for this question. For this question, answer lies in B segment. First 10 seconds to read the question. As soon as the teacher entered the class, all the boys approached him and reports the matter. Try to find clues. As soon as the teacher entered the class, we have an indication that this could be past tense. All the boys approached him. Now we are very sure that this has to be in past tense. And reports the matter. It can't be reports. Therefore, the error lies in segment C. Answer for this question is option C. Look at this question. Does it help you to remember any clue that you have watched in the demo session? Because we, the team of Aptitude Buster, wants you to give you a helpful tip even if you watch a demo session. If I could have worked regularly, I would have passed the examination. A moment back, I said we would never use the word would or could after if. Answer for this question lies in segment A. Next, we shall have an example from Parajumbles. You have been given 6 sentences, and as the structure indicates, the first sentence and the last sentence are in the appropriate position. In between, the sentences are jumbled. Can you get an answer in next 10 seconds? It's very much possible. You can pause the video, you can try, you can take as much time as you need and come back to the explanation. If I ask you a question, do you like coffee? How would you respond? You would say either yes, I do, or you would say no, I don't like coffee, right? Similarly, look at the first sentence. Can courage be taught? What should be the next sentence? It should say yes, it can be, or no, it can't. So the logic that you need to pick is there is a question and the next segment should carry an answer. Find out of these 4 segments P, Q, R, S which carries the answer. And within no time you would find the segment R carries the answer. Can courage be taught? I am sure in one sense physical courage can. So jump to the options. How many options are there that begins with segment R? There is only one. Therefore, the answer is option B. R, Q, S, P is the right sequence. One more question. The structure remains the same. The first sentence and the last sentence are in the appropriate position. Try to find the sequence for the sentences that are jumbled between S1 and S6. Let's try to gather any clue from the first sentence. Gregory King's statistical study of England made in 1688 deals with 2 main subjects, population and income. Segment P starts with another 100,000 were common soldiers. Certainly that cannot be the immediate sentence because the sentence has begun with statistical study. Segment Q, his study of population. Segment R, some people. Segment S, of these. So of P, Q, R, S, we are very sure Q should be the next sentence after S1. Move on to the options. There are 2 choices beginning with Q, which means you can eliminate option A and option D. The next thing that you should do is identify whether P should follow Q or S should follow Q. His study of population shows that there were 5 million Englishmen alive at that time. S says of these, more than 1 million were paupers and beggars. Very well makes sense because the total was 5 million, of which 1 million were beggars and paupers. Segment P says another 100,000 were common soldiers and vagrants. Certainly, it is not QP, it is QS. Thereby, answer is option C. If you want to check it, you can just read through the sequence QSPR and you will find it a paragraph makes complete sense.